So before starting the video, just note that this light is a small light and it cannot give a huge amount of light, and it is night time, so my face could be looking dark, and I cannot show you the experiment right now because I don't have much things, but I will show you later on. So please watch the full video. Have you ever wondered how a speaker creates sound? You press play on your phone and magically music comes out. But what's actually happening inside? How does electricity turn into sound waves that we can hear? Today, let's break down the real science behind speakers. Firstly, remember a simple fact: sound is nothing but vibration. Anything that shakes the air creates waves, and our ears convert those waves into sounds. So, a speaker's job is simple: create vibrations strong enough to push air, shape those vibrations into music. Inside every speaker, there are three main parts: magnet, voice coil or a copper wire coil, and a cone or diaphragm. When music plays, the phone sends electrical signals to the coil. These signals change direction thousands of times per second. And according to the electromagnetism, when electricity flows out through the coil, it becomes a magnet. So now the voice coil acts like an electromagnet, and it pushes and pulls against the permanent magnet below it. This movement shakes the cone, and that vibration becomes sound. Why bass needs a big speaker? Bass sounds are of low frequency and have big vibrations. To move a lot of air, you need a larger diaphragm. Treble sounds are high frequency and small, fast vibrations. So speakers have different types: subwoofer for bass, tweeter for high pitch, and mid range for vocals. That's why good speakers have multiple drivers. Distortion happens when the coil moves more than it's designed to, so your speaker crackles or distorts, like trying to push a swing too hard. The cone can't vibrate correctly and sound breaks or cracks. Heat also builds up in the coil during high volume, which affects the sound quality. So, now you know. The next time you hear music, remember it's actually just electricity shaking air right into your ears. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Science and Tech for more awesome science and tech explained simply. And don't forget to see the website that I made a week ago. Its link is in the description. And thanks for watching this video.